So here's an audio problem in Premiere Pro. I inserted a lower quality video with a lower quality audio onto the timeline plus a higher quality music. The video's audio, if you take a look here in properties, it's only 8000 hertz. Okay, and the music which I inserted, it's 44,000 hertz, so much more, and it sounds like this. Okay, and to fix the problem, let's go here to sequence, because the quality of this one is degraded. Go here to sequence settings, and at audio we have sample rate, and it's set to the lowest, 32,000. So it was 44,000, so let's use that one. And OK. And now it should sound better. Let's just preview it once again. Undo. And redo. Okay, so the frequencies are higher and now it sounds better.